take a bougie ass to Rodale and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, Evo, take her whatever she want. She pissed me off, somehow she still get whatever she want.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Look, I just got this package from Ulahair. The crazy thing about it is that I just did my hair like this yesterday, and then 2 or 3 hours after I went to go check my mailbox and this package was there. I feel like me and the company were just talking like 3 days ago, and the package is already here, which I'm not complaining because we love a fast shipping over here, okay? I'm going to be doing a sew-in. This is gonna be like my first time in years doing a sew-in. I'm gonna be opening this up and showing you guys what's inside. We're matching. I'm wearing black and gold. The packaging is black and gold. 100% human hair. Oh, okay, what is this? Hair bonnet or something? I would have to open it. Oh, wow. I call this a rat tail comb. People might call it something else. Oh, wow. A wig cap. You guys know I love the nude wig caps. One of the headbands that you lay your lace down with. Their booklet just has all the hair care information in there. They sent me 3 bundles. 18, 20, and 20. I love the way that it feels. It's silky and soft. They sent me the body wig in natural black color. I haven't dyed my natural hair, so my natural hair is probably like the same color. I'm not gonna even dye this. I'm just gonna leave it as is. Thank you, Ulahair, for sending this. I'm gonna show you guys how I install and the whole process. The most important step is how I sew it in. There's a certain way I do it. So yeah, let's start the process.
It's how much you choose me, you lose me. It's how much you choose me, you lose me. It's how much you choose me, you lose me.
All right, let's get started. As you guys can see, I braided my hair. I didn't show my braids down just because they're not super perfect, and I had just gotten a blowout and a trim, so my hair was super soft. I like to grease my scalp with the Jamaican black castor oil. The weaving cap that I'm using is this deluxe weaving cap. You can get this at any local beauty supply store. After the cap is on, I'm going to be sewing that down to my braids, and I love this foundation because I feel like you can fit more hair onto your head opposed to before I would just sew the hair down to my braids. It just wasn't the perfect foundation in my opinion.
And baby, you know that I can pull out what's inside of you, even though it's wrong.
After I sew that cap down, I'm going to be cutting off all of the excess cap that I do not need. And I'm going to be moving my natural hair out the way, making sure that I do not cut my natural hair. After I'm done cutting the excess cap off, I'm then going to sew the bundles in. Here, I'm just showing you guys how I start. So I start by putting the needle through the weft, and then after that, I sew under the weft. I started sewing a small portion of the bundles in, and then I went outside and realized that the hair, in direct sunlight, the hair was more of like a reddish brown, and I really wanted it to be a cool brown. So I ended up buying some dark brown dye, and I dyed the hair that color. The way that I dye the hair is I use the watercolor method, which basically means you're dyeing the hair in water. This is the important step in the sewing process. Basically, what you want to do is once you get to the temple area or the side of your head, you want to make sure that you're sewing the wefts upward towards your leave out. This is going to give the appearance of the hair falling into your face instead of away from your face. So once you get up towards your leave out, you want to sew the hair upwards, and you want to keep going in that direction. Throughout this whole entire process, I did not cut the wefts until I got up to my leave out area, just so that the hair can lay flat.
Showing you remorse. Gotta be cautious, can't play this sport. Stars in the ceiling, don't feel like the Porsche. Came from the trenches, just living on war. Once was a prostitute, I can afford the one I adore.
Temperature rising, bodies united. Now that I've trapped you in my arms, no need to fight it, no need to hide it. Now that I've seen what's in your heart, baby girl,
Around this area is when I stopped sewing and realized that I wanted to add some partial highlights to the hair. So I went out to Sally's and I got the Wella T18 toner. I got the Blonde Brilliance lightening powder, and I also got some 20 volume developer. And I started bleaching the hair. In the very beginning, before I started dyeing the hair, I cut off 3 pieces of the wefts so that I could bleach later on. Those are the wefts that I will be using to add the partial highlights to the hair. I bleached the hair 2 times. I could have bleached the hair a 3rd time to get it to that really yellow blonde. However, this whole process was taking me a while, so I just wanted to hurry up. And so I ended up just toning the hair. And then after toning the hair, I dyed the hair with that ash blonde color from Revlon. It's been a couple of days and I'm finally done installing the hair. This is what it looks like. I think where we left off was I was dyeing the hair that ash blonde color. I'm happy that it's done. I think I'm just like a lace frontal girly because sewing it in just takes so much time, and it just, I don't know, there's just a lot of work you have to do with sew-ins because you have to leave your hair out. I'm happy about the way that it came out. You guys probably saw that I cut a few pieces and I dyed those pieces the ash blonde color. I cut like a piece to go up here, and that's what you guys are seeing. I just sewed that piece right here. Then I cut like 2 smaller pieces for the back, and that was the 20-inch. That's all I did. And then you guys will probably notice I did put a little lace piece here. I didn't leave a lot of leave out, so I just felt like I just had to have something there. So I just cut a little piece of my lace frontal wig, my old lace frontal wig, and I just put that little piece right here. I like how it came out, so you guys can see the color. And I also do have, this is what I have left. It's like a long piece, so I still have more left over. It's a lot of hair, and as you guys can see, my hair is very full, and I only had like 3 bundles. Let's look on the side. So yeah, I like how it came out, you guys. I think it looks really nice. You guys got to see me bleach the hair, dye the hair, color the hair, wash the hair, all of that. And as you guys can see, the hair is still very silky. Even before Ula sent me here to do the review, I was looking at their website anyways because I was going to order something from their website. What I will say is that what I don't like is that they don't have 13x6 frontals. They don't have 13x6 lace frontals on their website. They only have 13x4. So that's the only thing. And you guys, like, I love a 13x6 frontal because I love that I love the parting space on the 13x6 frontals, but they don't have them. That's the only thing, but everything else is great. This is definitely a website that you guys should shop on for hair if you guys are looking for hair or wigs or anything. I love the quality of the hair. Thank you so much to Ulahair for sponsoring this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, if it helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, I love each and every one of you, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye. Mwah.